Imagine stepping outside tonight, looking up at the sky, and knowing that out there are billions of galaxies, each one packed with billions of stars. The real question is, how did we ever figure all of that out? Hey, welcome back. Today we're diving into the 7 most mind-blowing space discoveries that completely changed how we understand the universe. From breakthroughs thousands of years in the making to discoveries that shocked the entire world just a few years ago. And trust me, number 3 is going to rewire the way you think about existence itself. Let's get into it. For most of human history, people were absolutely convinced that Earth was the center of the universe, and that the sun, stars, and everything else revolved around us. Then, a Polish astronomer named Nicholas Copernicus turned the entire worldview upside down. He argued it was actually the Earth that orbited the sun, not the other way around. At the time, this idea was considered heresy and nearly landed him in serious trouble with the Church. But it sparked the entire scientific revolution, and nothing was ever the same again. For centuries, humanity assumed that the Milky Way was the entire universe. Full stop. Then, Edwin Hubble looked at what everyone thought was just a fuzzy cloud in the sky, the Andromeda Nebula, and proved it was actually a completely separate galaxy sitting 2.5 million light-years away from us. In a single stroke, the known size of the universe exploded by an unimaginable amount. The cosmos wasn't a single galaxy. It was an ocean of them, hundreds of billions in fact. Remember Hubble? He wasn't done. Just 5 years later, he made a discovery so strange it sounds like science fiction. He found that the universe is expanding. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy in every direction, all the time. Which means if you run time backwards, everything in the cosmos must have once been compressed into a single, impossibly small point. That point, and the explosion that followed, is what we call the Big Bang. Honestly, take a moment with that one. Black holes had existed in Einstein's equations since 1915, but no one had ever actually seen one until 2019. A global team of scientists linked up radio telescopes across the entire planet to create one Earth-sized virtual telescope. The result? The first ever image of a black hole, M87 star, sitting 55 million light-years away. The data was so massive, it had to be physically flown on hard drives by plane. The internet couldn't handle it. And yes, the gravity inside a black hole is so extreme that not even light can escape it. The equation is simple. Where there's water, there could be life. That's what made NASA's 2015 announcement so electrifying. Evidence of seasonal liquid water flowing on the surface of Mars. Then, in 2018, Italian scientists went further. They detected what appears to be a subglacial lake of liquid saltwater buried beneath the Martian South Pole. It raises a question we've been asking for centuries. Did life ever exist on Mars? And with missions heading there right now, we might find out sooner than we think. Einstein predicted these over 100 years ago. Most scientists thought we'd never actually be able to detect them. In 2015, the LIGO project proved them all wrong. Scientists detected gravitational waves, actual ripples in the fabric of space-time, produced by 2 black holes colliding 1.3 billion light-years away. The distortion that reached Earth was smaller than 1,000th the diameter of a proton. Think about that. We measured a vibration that makes an atom look gigantic. This opened an entirely new way of listening to the universe. The oldest question in science: are we alone in the universe? NASA's Kepler Space Telescope confirmed we're not the only solar system, not by a long shot. Over 5,500 exoplanets have been confirmed so far, and some are eerily similar to Earth in size and distance from their star. Now the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful ever built, is actually analyzing the atmospheres of these distant worlds, hunting for chemical signs of life. The answer to humanity's biggest question might be just around the corner. And those were the 7 greatest space discoveries that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. And the journey is far from over. Scientists are making new breakthroughs every single day. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. It seriously helps get this content in front of more people who love science. And let me know in the comments, which discovery blew your mind the most? Don't forget to subscribe. I have more deep dives on space and science coming very soon. See you in the next one.